Hello, welcome to new video from Technary.com. Today we have an interesting tech news for you. The consumer lifestyle technology brand RAEGR has launched a new device into the Indian market. This is an important smartphone accessory which is able to simultaneously charge up to two compatible devices by using the intelligent triple coil technology. So this is the RAEGR ARC 1100 2-in-1 wireless charging foldable stand. So let us have a look at the features of this smartphone accessory. This foldable stand has a very unique and stylish design which helps in charging your QI enabled phones and AirPods or earbuds simultaneously. With the help of the stand, the user can easily use it in portrait mode or landscape mode or even folded flat like a charging pad. The user is able to make video calls with ease with the support of the stand. You can easily charge your smartphone wirelessly on the stand with up to 60-degree elevation, which is perfect viewing angle for video calling. You can use the stand to charge your phone, and also you can carry out many tasks like Face ID, keep track of your messages, watch videos, etc. The weight of the stand is just 80 gram and can be folded in a size smaller than the smartphone. You can easily carry around or keep it on your desk. There are three coils in this stand. The two coils help the user to charge your smartphone in both horizontal and vertical positions without any compromising on performance. This stand is able to charge with a maximum power of up to 10 watt for the QI compatible smartphones. The base comes with a single wireless charging coil which is able to simultaneously charge another compatible accessory with up to 5 watt of power. In upright position, the stand is able to charge two devices simultaneously, whereas in folded position in horizontal, the stand can charge single device at a time. The device can be used by connecting the stand to a Type-C smartphone charger or a QC adapter. The device also contains a 3.3 feet USB A to C cable and also a 3.3 feet USB C to C cable for the convenience of the users. The stand is able to charge smartphones like iPhone 8, 8 Plus, iPhone X, iPhone 11, iPhone SE, and iPhone 12. It can also charge Samsung Galaxy S20 series, Note 9, Note 10, and Note 20, Google Pixel 3, Google Pixel 3 XL, and Google Pixel 4a. Apart from these, it is also compatible with other smartphones up to 10 watt when you place them on the stand area. The QI enabled accessories like the Apple AirPods, Samsung Galaxy Buds, and other wireless chargeable buds can be charged with up to 5 watt of power. User can do so by placing them on the base area of the stand. It is equipped with protection for over voltage, over current, temperature control, short circuit, and many more. It has robust and fireproof ABS body as well. It is available in sandstone black and navy blue color variants. It comes with 1 year of warranty and extra 6 months on registration or activation. So those were the features of this foldable stand. Any guesses on the price? Well, it is having an exclusive price of rupees 2499. So if you want to check out this device, do check out the link in the description below to get the best deals and discounts. Also, for more such tech news and reviews, keep visiting our website, which is technary.com. Do like this video and also comment about this foldable stand as well. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and put the bell notifications on for more such interesting videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.